So today the MAPSA Advocates Forum, had the general body to discuss and take resolution on the brutal assault on our colleague Advocate Gajanan Sawant at the hands of the personnel of the Porvorim police station. The following resolutions were unanimously passed, and the meeting was attended by President and members of other forums of Goa as well. So first resolution that has been passed is forthwith arrest and suspension of the 4 police personnel who were involved in the brutal assault of Advocate Gajanan Sawant, registration of FIR and investigation by an officer not below the rank of senior PI, stroke constitution of a special investigation team to investigate, time-bound speedy conclusion of the investigation and filing of the charge sheet, investigation as to how constables of Porvorim police station were interfering in an apparently civil dispute, suspension and departmental inquiry against the PI of Porvorim police station and all other involved in this episode. In the event no action is taken by the authorities, we have decided to approach the Honorable High Court of Bombay and get our grievances redressed. Thank you. आता हे सगळे पॉयंटांचे रेझोल्युशन घेवन आयदर सोमारात वतले, डीजीक मेळपाक वतले आणि CMच्या ऑफिसान होम डिपार्टमेंटानूय वतले. ना आमी आज रेजिस्टर केल्या कंप्लेंट, सो बाय टुमोरो दे शूड एटलीस्ट रेजिस्टर द FIR अँड स्टार्ट द इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन. आमची एक मांग आसा की वी वॉन्ट एन इंडिपेंडंट इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन बाय अ डिफरंट ऑफिसर ऑफ द रँक एटलीस्ट ऑफ अ PI.
काल इन्सिडंट जाला तो आणि आता इतको टाइम कित्याक लागलो FIR रेजिस्टर जावपाक?
ना, तो अजून एडमिटेड आसा. गजानन सावंत इज इन अ सिरियस कंडिशन इन द गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज वेर ही हॅज बीन ऑपरेटेड फॉर जॉ फ्रॅक्चर.
रिजन जालो ताका मारपाक?
रिजन म्हणजे आता जर त्या प्रमाणे ती कंप्लेंट वाचत जाल्यार तो थंय त्याच्या क्लायंटान कॉल आपयलो म्हणून गेल्लो तो, आनी तो गेलो तेन्ना ताका स्टॉप केला आनी बेदम मारला ताका, आनी इतलो मारला की ताजे स्कल बील सुजिल्लें त्या टायमार. तांकां खबर आशिल्लें. हय हय. आनी आतां एज विनायकान दाखयल्या प्रमाणे एक व्हिडिओ आयिल्लो आसा वेरीन ताच्या फाटल्यान धांवतात ते दिसता सारके ते. तो कंपाउंडान दिसता इन दॅट व्हिडिओ एंड 3 कॉन्स्टेबल्स आर रनिंग आफ्टर हिम. तो व्हिडिओ आत्तां दाखयल्लो पळय तो. सो ह्या गोश्टीची सक्त कारवाई करपाक जाय आनी आमी जें सांगलां त्या प्रमाणे जायत जाल्यार बरें जातलें. जस्टीस वील प्रिवेल.
पुलीस कॉपरेट करता तुमकां?
अजून कळून ना रे, कालूच इन्सिडंट जाला आनी आतां आमी वतकच जेन्ना हें दितलें रेजोल्युशन आसा.
Occupying the flat, so that infuriated them. So what they did, cops came there and already 2 cops in uniform were banging and threatening them. So they called Sawant reached at the spot. Once Sawant reached, immediately one of the cops called this Sandeep. Then in 10 minutes or so, Sandeep came over there. Immediately when Sandeep came, he abused them. I cannot use the language here. That language is there in the complaint. And then he went, all 3 went on his body sort of. They pushed him. Since they pushed him, Sawant attempted to escape from the spot. So he ran. First they slapped him. They pushed him and slapped him. Once they slapped him, Sawant realized that he's getting beating from them. So he started running. What Sandeep did, there was a wooden plank there, Kamali, which is edged. He picked up that and he ran along those 3 cops and this Sandeep. All 4 ran after Sawant. And they caught him when he was running on the way. Sarki movie style. They caught him. When they got hold of him, first thing Sandeep immediately gave a blow on his head. Once he received that blow on his head, he fell down unconscious. So 50, half conscious and half subconscious sort of. Once he fell down, all of them started kicking him. Then all 4 of them caught him like movie style, pulled him, dragged him. Entire paint is torn off his full back is injured. They pulled him and they dumped him in a Maruti Alto car of the police. The Porvorim police have got a new car, small one. They dumped him on the back rear seat of that car and all of them started kicking him like this in the car. By virtue of these kicks, now he has suffered a jaw fracture. I can show the medical certificate also, some jaw fracture he has. And what happened? Brought him to Porvorim police station. And then like a dog he was made to stand there, not even given place to sit for 1.5 hours till he could contact me first and then on the group everything it spread. It took 1.5 hours. Like a dog he was made to stand there like an accused there, standing there, and they were making fun of him. That Havaldar, that PSI was there on duty and PI all making fun of him. And
Including
then,
the PI.
including the PI, everybody was laughing. And then after 1.5 hours, then there was like everywhere the news spread that he's assaulted so and so. Everybody gathered. Then I was somewhere else. By the time all the advocates reached there, then they realized that something was going to happen over here, some serious issue. Then they started making moves. Those 4 students who were staying in that flat, they were eyewitness to that incident. Then they tried to turn those witnesses hostile. They threatened them saying that, see, if you all depose or give statement against the police here, you all will have to stay here, you all will not get a chance to go back, then you all will be stuck here in Goa only. So they said, they changed their statement. When we went there, they started saying that no, Mr. Samant first slapped a cop, and that's the reason why the cops got angry and then they hit him. Then subsequently when I told him, see, these people are non-Goans. You all are in uniform. Seeing uniform, they are bound to get scared of you and deviate from their statement or turn hostile. So call Samant's client, put the this call on speaker, let everybody hear what the clients are saying. Samant's client on the speaker told clearly it is not Samant's mistake. Samant Pua Bhaga was just standing. These people attacked him, first slapped him. He ran to save himself. These people ran after him, hit him with a wooden plank. He fell down. There they kicked him, assaulted him, pulled him, put him in the car, assaulted him there, and picked him like a criminal and brought him and dumped him at the police station. Then I said, it's a shame for us that we have come here, I said, at this police station. And what unbiased investigation you all are going to do against your own officer when you all are trying to cover his misdemeanor and you all are, in a way trying to cover up what he has done and turning witnesses hostile. You all are conducting mini trial at the police station. I asked them. So then I said, no, then Samant, I told Samant to take a final call. Tomorrow it should not be that we have pressurized him to file the complaint. Samant said, no, I have got the beating. I have bear this. I am undergoing pain. So it is my responsibility. I am not compromising because I am not at fault at all. And then we went. So for almost 5 hours without providing medical, he was kept in the police station for 5 hours. They wanted to get it settled. There only compromising so that nothing goes ahead. For 5 hours he was not provided medical in spite of having such serious injuries. Then we took him to, he was referred to PHC Porvorim. We took him there. I went with him there. There his entire medical was done. Then from there, since there was a fracture, he was referred to GMC. When we were on the way to GMC, he vomited. Since there is neurological injury, he vomited. There was blood clotting and his brain, some skull, something was swollen. There's some neuro injury. Then we went there, got him admitted there. Then doctors, did all the scanning, x-rays, whatever. Then unfortunately, his jaw was found to be fractured. So he was kept under observation and he was admitted last night. Now, till today 6 o'clock he is kept under observation. So we could not file a complaint at an earlier point of time because we were busy dancing with him. There was no one to help him. So we were all busy with him and his wife was also at night staying. I was also there quite late till 3 o'clock with him. Then again in the morning we went, so we did not get time also to draft. See, anybody could have put the criminal law into motion. Police themselves could have filed a complaint, but they chose not because they wanted it to get settled and suppress the issue and save their burger. So then today morning, we realized he's undergone some dental operation. So he cannot speak now for 15 to 20 days. So I said, no point in waiting now. So he had told us what is the incident and his wife was aware of it because he had narrated it. So 3:30 we have filed. That complaint we have already filed for her. We are seeking registration of an offence under section 307 of IPC primarily. For the simple reason the blow was on the head, which is vital part of the body, and it was with an intent to kill him. They are cops, they know where you should hit where and what happens once a blow is there on that part of a body. They know the consequences of the assault. So knowingly to kill him, they have assaulted him on his head. That is the reason why we have asked to register an FIR under 307. The main part, the opponent took away the weapon to conceal it, to destroy evidence. So we have brought that also in the complaint, everything. So an appropriate complaint under criminal sections of law, that is 143, 144, 147, 148, 320, 307, 504, 5062 read with 149 and 201 of IPC is already filed by us. Now we are looking forward to what the cops are doing. Most probably they should register because here 326 FIR has to be registered because there is a fracture and there is a weapon used.
I think you have done a good job.
Thank you. So we expect here 307 to be registered, being specific because there is intention to kill. Now they may perhaps not want to register 307, they want to protect it because 307 is a Sessions tribal offence and 326 is a slightly less grave offence, so they would try to protect him. But here clearly from the assault, the way he was assaulted, it clearly appears that there is intent to kill him, and they being cops, they have knowledge where you hit which person and what would be the consequences of that blow. So they can't say they don't have knowledge. So with the intent to kill a vessel, so I have filed a complaint. We have all drafted. I, Vicky, Sudhanshu, everybody, all four of us sat together, took his wife. We drafted a appropriate complaint. We have filed. Now we are waiting for the law to take place.